So in our practice questions, we're simply going to be, again, estimating the quotient. So we're going to get an approximate answer. So first we have to round. 2093, now I show you over here, 2093 can be approximately 2100. Divided by 287 can be approximately 300. So you would say 2100 divided by 300. Now I think it's easier if you write it above 2100 divided by 300. You can have to divide them both by 100. They both have two zeros, so you can divide them both by 100. So this would be 21 divided by 3 is equal to, now if you don't know that answer, you can actually go back to the chart, 21 divided by 3, and you'd say 3 goes to the 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So our answer here is 7. Next question. We're going to have 10,506 divided by 2007. We're going to estimate. The quotient is like the answer. Answer for quotient. It's part of a vocabulary. So I give it the rounding. 10,506 would be approximately 10,000. 2007 would be approximately 2,000. So we have 10,000 divided by 2,000. Now, I see 3 zeros and 4 zeros. Well, if I divide them both by 1,000, they get rid of these 3 zeros and these 3 zeros. Then I have 10 divided by 2. So I'm looking at dividing them first to get rid of the zeros, dividing them by multiples of 10. I could just divide it by 2,000 to get the answer, but that is just the question that I have. So 10 divided by 2 would be 5. The last question. This I'm putting in a word problem. A stadium holds 48,000 people. The stadium is divided into 400 different seating sections. About how many seats are in each section? When you see about, that is an estimation. We don't need an exact number. Now, with these numbers are easy enough, we will get an exact number. But if I write 48,000 divided by 400, I want to get rid of some zeros. Divide them both by 100. That would take off those two, so 480 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4, if I go back to my chart. So 4 all the way to 48, it's going to be 12. So if I have 48 divided by 4 is 12, but I still have a 0, 480. 100 divided by 4 is 120.